Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP Deskjet 2710E, and now I'm gonna show you how to insert new inks in this device. So first you need to open the paper tray in this way, then open the entries into the inks. Wait a while. And great, as you can see, here we have the place for inks. On the left side we have the colored inks, and on the right side we have the black inks. And if you need to insert it, so just insert the black on the right part and colored on the left. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.